This woman said what everyone has been thinking for a long time.
I am wondering if you are all pedophiles because you don't seem to care that children are being sexually abused. I mean, if somebody claimed that I was, I would say, I absolutely am not. But you guys love to let it stand as fact that that's what's going on because you're not willing to stop it. So, I mean, if you're willing to perpetuate it, what else could you be? If you're going to shake your head, then do something about it. No, Monica, you're not a then why aren't you doing anything about the child abuse that's happening in the county? If you cared, you would want to stop it. Jim, what if it happens to your grandchild? Would it matter then? Probably, right?
Next speaker, please.